we have an iPhone 14. Just kidding. iOS 16 is about a week away from releasing, and here are the coolest features about it. First off, the biggest update is the wallpapers. You can have multiple and you can customize them to your liking. The weather app got a fairly large update as well. It includes more advanced data as to how much rain you're gonna get, how much snow you're gonna get, and what the temperature is, what it's gonna be. Another cool feature is when you're playing music, it pops up as like your wallpaper. The health app got a lot of improvements as well, so you can now see REM sleep. And you can also log your medications, so if you take medicine every day, then you can keep track of when you took it or not. The Apple Maps saw some updates as well. One of the biggest features that everybody's been waiting for is the ability to edit and unsend messages in the messaging app. You can see your battery percentage no matter what screen you are on. Another pretty cool feature is you can now screen share your Apple Watch to your iPhone. It is pretty laggy, however, I think that we'll see some huge improvements in a later update to this feature. And the last feature I have to share is you can now read text through the camera. You can read it through videos as well. I didn't record that part, but I thought that was pretty cool.